Hey everyone, today we are diving into the world of automated email sending using PyQt5, exploring the ins and outs of an application that simplifies the process. Join me as we showcase its features and walk you through the implementation detail. We have built an applications that allow you to schedule an email effortlessly. This PyQt5 powered tool not only provides a user-friendly interface but also showcase the power of threading for background tasks. Let's explore for functionality together. A quick overview of PyQt5 project structure and the significance of the email sender app class. We will discuss how this application streamlines the email sending process, showcase the email sending interface. Let's explore two main pages of our PyQt5 application. Page 1 where user input email details and page 2 the success page providing a visual feedback when email is sent successfully. I'll guide you through the process of sending an email using our PyQt5 app. We will cover recipient, input, subject, body, attachment, and even we can scheduling email for future delivery. Benefit of PyQt5 in email automation. We will discuss an advantage using PyQt5 for building this automated email sender and emphasize its initiative GUI capabilities, thread management, and seamless integration with other Python libraries. As we wrap up, you will have a solid understanding of how to automate email sending with the PyQt5. If you are interested in simplifying repetitive email tasks or learning more about PyQt5 application, you are in for a treat. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more PyQt5 content and stay tuned for our next PyQt5 adventures. Thank you for watching this. Bye bye.